Okay, hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we're going to look at S3 transfer acceleration. So what is S3 transfer acceleration? Well, we did talk about it in a little bit of detail in the S3 101, but essentially it utilizes the CloudFront Edge network to accelerate your uploads into S3. And instead of uploading directly to an S3 bucket, you can use a distinct URL to upload directly to an edge location, which will then transfer that file to S3. And you'll get a distinct URL to upload. So it might look something like this, acloudguru.s3-accelerate.amazonaws.com. And we're going to see that when we go over to Google. So just a reminder as to how it works. We've got a bucket, let's say it's in Ireland or in the UK. We've got our users all around the world. Our users will upload to an edge location first. That will then upload the file across Amazon's backbone network directly to our S3 bucket. And what's really cool about transfer acceleration is Amazon has built a tool that allows us to test it. So let's go over to Google and check that out. Okay, so I've typed in S3 transfer acceleration tool into Google, and you can see the link here. And it is actually hosted in an S3 bucket. So if you go ahead and click on it, it will load this page. And it's going to take about 5 or 6 minutes to actually start or to actually finish. But basically, it's going to compare your upload, doing it directly to all these different regions compared to if you turn on S3 transfer acceleration. So I'm just going to pause the video for 5 minutes and wait for this to finish. Okay, so that has now completed. So you can see if I'm based in London right now, and if I was uploading to S3 directly, that would be my speed. And if I used S3 transfer acceleration, then it would be 137% faster to Northern Virginia. It'd be 218% faster to San Francisco, 173% faster to Oregon. It's actually slower to Dublin, and this can be explained just by a sort of normal network traffic. So basically, the regions that are closest to you and where you physically are, sometimes it can be a bit slower. It really just depends. But in most cases, you can see basically everywhere it is faster. So that is S3 transfer acceleration. And in terms of my exam tips, just remember exactly what it is. So you've got your users, you've got your edge locations, and your users upload their big files to the edge locations, which then traverse Amazon's backbone network and will upload those files directly to your S3 bucket in the region that you specify. So that is it for this lecture, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. If not, let's move on to CloudFront.